We are back. We are back. We are back. So we got a video, a new video today for you guys. Spoil Engine has released their second single, and it's called "The Hallow," featuring Jeff Walker. I don't know who that is. Do you?
No.
But we love Spoil Engine. I got like everybody into them. I don't think anyone was big a fan as me, but I love these guys. Their new album comes out in November, which we will be reviewing that album. But let's get into it, man. Spoil Engine's new song, "The Hallow." I love Spoil Engine. Like, I have a love for them. Like, they're in my top 20. That's how good they are.
Man, they do.
Well, just keep listening. This one. I'm really excited for this album. She's a good ass screamer, man. Yeah. What's that shit? This shit is sick, boy. You can't deny the course in this fucking track. God, this is so good. Your reaction better be good when this song's over. This shit's amazing. I think this is actually my new favorite song about them. I love a lot of her songs, but this song's so good. Yeah, boy. Holy shit, boys. Dude, that has to be the most amazing track of a song I've probably heard in a long time. And I'm going to say this now. That song is a 10 out of 10. That song is incredibly fucking good. All the fucking screaming in it, the fucking chorus was amazing. That shit was so fucking good, dude. I'm going to play that shit. I'll play that shit.
Daddy.
Go there. What's your thoughts on the Spoil Engine new song?
To be honest, I was so high I kind of forgot I was listening to that song.
Okay, so what'd you think of it?
Overall, I'm not you. This song was not a masterpiece. No, it was, I would say, good at most.
I mean, do you like it? You don't have to say it's a masterpiece. Did you enjoy it? Do you think it's good?
It's not too bad. I mean, it's not like the best song in the world, like you're saying over here, but it's not too, it's not too bad.
But so far, you've liked their 2 newest tracks off this upcoming album, right?
Yeah.
Dude, these songs are fucking good, man. I'm so fucking hyped for them and Ocean Sleepers album coming out in November. We will be reviewing both those albums, and we cannot wait. But that's all we got for you now, guys. Drop your comments below. Let us know what you thought of the new Spoil Engine song and video. Did you love it much as we did here on Rock Out Reactions? By the way, that song, gets a thumbs up from Rock Out Reactions. Drop a comment below. Hit that subscribe button, baby. Because we are Rock Out Reactions. Till next time, I'm Paul.
I'm Zach.
Rock out.
Rock in.